take a look at this last play.
Right on the line.
And according to the rules, when the ball hits the line, that is considered to be in.
That's another good offensive block from Reyes.
LaSalle, really one of the best, if not the best, recruiting teams here in the UAP Women's Volleyball Tournament. Every year it seems that they always have a talented rookie that can contribute right away. But Maraño, another service error there, Doki. What seems to be the problem?
I don't know, from the minute that ball left her hand, I knew it was going out. Ang lakas and taas eh. Just too much energy right now from the serves.
Hirotsuji in her second season for UST. Was already a starter last year, and Cha Cruz from the back row unable to get it over that net.
You can see that Cha Cruz, she was really unsure of what she wanted to do.
Another opportunity here for Midori Hirotsuji. Cha Cruz will pop it up for LaSalle. Back set for Michelle Gumabao.
Double quick play, so hard to stop. You've got Reyes and Gumabao approaching at the same time. So, sabi nga na, pick your poison.
(17-14) in favor of LaSalle. They are trying to close out the first round with a perfect 7-0 record. Cha Cruz able to get a point there. Reyes was unable to handle that spike by Cha.
Cha Cruz just with a flick of the wrist, getting that ball across.
Maragalan. Dumakulangan. And Micah Ortiz announces her entry into this ball game via that emphatic running spike.
Boom! Did you see how she, bent her body to get that spike in to where she landed that ball? Great play from Micah.
One of the ladies on this UST squad that really has to play big if UST will continue to make it far here in the tournament.
Esperanza with a very easy point given her by De La Salle.
UST still fighting, trying to climb back here into this ball game.
Outside from Gumabao.
Slowly but surely, UST is within striking distance here. Very tight first set between the two teams that faced off in the past two final series. That serve by Panatikla, barely making it in. That's an error by Cha. Point.
Cha Cruz has had 3 spiking errors, 2 from the back row, and this one. It seems that her approach isn't really the way she used to approach. So parang may kulang eh. She's a bit indecisive on her approach so far here in the first set.
And Maru Panatikla, via that lucky service ace, gives her squad the lead 19-18, and that forces Coach Ramil De Jesus to ring the alarm.
Hindi pwede puro hampas. Hindi lang yung bola. Gusto lang natin ilakas yung bola, tapos receive na wala. Hindi nakikita. Yan na, nung galing saan yan? Ha? Galing sa 16 yan, naging 15-18 yan kanina. 18-14. Diba? Tingnan nyo, may percentage na ginagawa. Ikaw hindi mo makita, naglarali ng kalaban. Gusto mo pa mag-exhibition na gagawin. Hindi na, pigilin ka agad. Hindi ka receive na maayos. O, yan, ikot na.
Coach Ramil De Jesus clearly unhappy with his squad giving up that 4-point lead.
Yeah, that's true. And he basically told the girls that you got to realize that UST has gained the momentum and you wasted a lot of good opportunities. Sabi nga niya, pagka ganyan, dapat porsyento yung play. Well, wala mo ng exhibition. Get those points on the board and get the momentum back. Now, UST with a 2-point, it's really a turnaround here for UST.
Ingrid Reyes able to get that last point for the Tigresses. Banatikla again to serve here for UST. Cha Cruz going off speed there. Wow! Listen to the roar of that UST crowd.
Reyes really got it square. Really teed up for that one, hitting Esperanza on the chest.
It is not only LaSalle who has nabbed prize rookies. Ingrid Reyes is considered one of the top rookies this season in the UAAP Women's Volleyball Tournament playing for UST.
Oh, this is interesting. Gumabaw being taken out, replaced by Tan. Maru Banatikla has had a lot of success in that service line. Finally giving up one.
Denise Tan with a service error there.
Oh, that hurts.
Quickly checks out of the ball game for Melissa Gohing, the second-year player. Denise Tan rather. As the veteran Rhea Di Maculangan serves this one up. Gohing able to work hard to dig that volleyball up. Another error for LaSalle.
Reyes on her way down, or was it Esperanza? On their way down, touched the net.
Coach Ramil does not want to let this one slip away. Let's listen in.
Yung posisyon ng spiker, hindi kayo lang tayo ng kanan. Diba? Wala ko nakikita para magkapuntas yung kalaban nyo eh. Awkward, hindi tayo nagbabasa. Tanong tayo pilit natin inaabot. Tingnan nyo muna yung spiker, diba? Mag-upisa kayo sa receive, magagaling sa set, yung posisyon ng setter, o tsaka pa lang sa spiker. Tanong na kagad, kahit walang bola, tumatanong tayo. Kahit ang posisyon ng spiker natin, awkward. Block tayo ng block, inaabot natin. Post!
Alright, Esperanza getting most of the instructions from Coach Ramil. She has to take control. Kailangan ng mga spikers na mabigyan na ng magagandang sets. And so far, kita mo lahat ng pinapalo nila sa alanganin ko ang madidepensahan agad ng USC. And now it's a crucial time. Rhea Di Maculangan, one of the best servers that we have. Again! Tough call, really. Tough reception for the LaSalle.
And UST is on the verge of taking this opening set against LaSalle. Set point for UST as Rhea Di Maculangan serves this one up. Reyes. Here comes Cha Cruz. And finally, LaSalle stops that run.
Cha Cruz this time going cross-court and giving that spike a little extra ump.
Well, let's see if LaSalle can, or mainly Esperanza, can set up a nice offense for them. But UST sets up a better one right before LaSalle can set up one of their own.
One of the deadliest tandems that we have in the UAP. Di Maculangan to Ortiz. Again with that beat quick play or that running play to the back, giving UST the first set.
25-20 in favor of UST. LaSalle losing the opening set. The last time that happened was against Ateneo in the first round. Second set coming up. This is the UAP Season 74 Women's Volleyball Tournament brought to you by ABS-CBN Sports.